Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Let's continue our leetcode challenge. Let's look up today's question. It's called surrounding regions. Given a 2D board contain X and O, here just explain this is the letter O, not a 0. Capture all regions surrounded by X. Here the input, here the output. And what this explanation say, just say because this 3O all surrounded by this one. So this 3O be changed to X. But on the edge, he said on the border, everything on the border you won't going to change. Even this one, or like for example in this one. And this question is a typical DFS question, but it's slightly tricky. It is slightly harder than the surrounding island, but similar. And so what I'm going to do, just let me draw. If I delete a board, so once, for example, here is what you receive for a board. I have some surrounded area. And on the board in here, I have a 0. Then have some surrounded by this one. This is a 4-4 board. For this question, instead directly just go inside to the O to flip. We actually do one more. Do first thing we found on the edge, but found on the edge, the last one you don't need to looping. So you only because the last corner definitely is on the border, so you don't definitely won't go into even this all surrounded by this one, you won't go into flip. So this one we only loop up to this one. So everything, if we found it is O, we change it to E. So once you loop, what I expect it is supposed like this one. Inside won't going to change. We actually just loop every in here. So once I found this one, every row, we found that every body is O, we're going to flip to E and do DFS, so surround the area, so have a go back and so go here. If not out of range, then go here. The action is X, so it's still X. And then you go down, it is O, so you change it back to E. When you go into here, you're going to search also up, left and right. In here it is O, you change it to E. Here you go down, but this is the bottom line. The last line you won't go into flip. Definitely stay the same, so you won't go into change. So this do one DFS search, then you will and change all of this one O to E. And what the expected result, then after this one, we only simply just flip. We loop the whole board, find that everything is all changed back to X. You see, that definitely is inside surrounded. Find that everything is E, we just change it to back to O. So now it is the expected output is like this one. O change back to X. E change to O. O change to X. E change to O. This X stay the same. And the last row don't need to change. Now you just now this the what we need the output. 2, 3, 5 row. Yeah. Now we follow this new, just write the code. Let's start it. So We need to know the row and the corner. We are just put in here. Every time when you init this, you suppose already have the row. So we have the static cons. When you run this function, we first going to find the board. This is just do edge case check. So if this board is nullable or the names equal to 0, then you don't need to do anything, just return. Otherwise, we going to hold this one, edit this row equal to board, the length, the corner will equal to the board 0 dot length. Now we do this first step from here to here. Each row equal to 0. Smaller than. We write this DFS afterwards. So every time we come in, we first find the first row, and we actually find the first row, and this one also find and the first row, the last one. Looping from here and here to DFS. And the DFS actually quite easy. We just write in here. We have we accept the character to dimension the board, and we know the row, and we also know the corner, and the base. Now we need to make sure not out of range and it is not equal to 0, not equal to an O, the character. The row is in range, the corner also is in range, and also not equal to character O. Then return. Oh, yeah, that looks like O. Okay. Otherwise, we just change it to E. In the surround area, so you find everything is 1, just change it to 0. So in here, we actually found this one, change it to use the character E, but they are on the edge, so we use E. And then we call DFS. Then we go up, go down the corner, and we do 4 steps. And surround have a 4. We do minus, and we do minus 1. Yeah, this is the DFS, and this from null, and also we from the edge have a 4, so also surround on to a second loop. If character equal to from 0, but this is the cone. This is the corner. Let's see what makes sense. Then the board from the O 0 to C, and this corner, it is in this corner 0, and also the last corner. Yeah. So from up to down, last corner minus 1. See. Once this finish, these two flip finish with up to here. Now we do this step. This step of deep finish, you only need just some flip. With capital, yeah, capital. Yeah, I think it is capital. Just very strange. Capital X. The letter X, the uppercase. If it is E, capital E, then change back to O. Yeah, just feel this all looking weird. Yep, that is this supposed just do the job. Let's try it. Too many missing semicolon. Here missing semicolon. That's 18. Here. And 6. B-O-A-R-D. B-O-A-R-D. Now 16. And 16. Because this is a C, sorry, I just copy from here to here. Too many typing issue. This 31. This columns. Yeah. Let's submit it. Yeah, it accepted. Let's recap it. So, like I said, this question is very similar to the surrounded area. The surrounded area will give you 0 and 1. So you're going to find the 1, then you push surrounded area from 0 to 1. Then the second time coming in, it definitely won't have this one. So this is actually the same. So everybody when you come in, you looping everybody, you push everybody to the E. This do a little bit tricky, but you only loop for the edge, you won't going to change. So you only loop change everybody on the edge. You keep need to keep one. So that is why you're going to do this for loop. So you change everybody in this one. If they are not O, they only can be X. If they are not O, then you change there to E. When you come into here, you flip everybody to E, and so you see, and then the second time coming, if not out of range, so everybody will be changed to the E. And once this finish it, then you just flip it back, you see. So once you change everybody to the E and accept it, because the edge won't going to change it, then you flip it. That is why you don't include the lows and equal to nons, so you only up to the corners. Okay, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.